So hello, this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Suman and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110978 name Khushdeep Kaur. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's your full name?
My full name is Khushdeep Kaur.
Okay. Where are you from?
I come from Rahar near Khanda, Indian the Punjab state.
Do you work or study?
I am a student. I am recently completed my secondary examination from NGS Public Secondary Secondary School.
Okay. Now let's talk about trust. Who do you trust most?
I trust most of the people, but one of my friend is very trusted. I can trust whites my eyes. I can trust him very.
What kind of people do you trust?
There are many kinds of people. They have religious trust on the people. We can trust like another things, and we can trust on of their feelings. So I can trust all of the people.
Have you ever lost trust in somebody?
Yes, I can also trust from my friend when I lost my notebook and I gave to him, but they can lost on my examinations day. That time I can lost my trust.
Do you trust artificial intelligence?
I can trust artificial intelligence is not we can entrust to others run by their feelings, so I cannot trust in my artificial.
So this is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is a card with some questions. You will have a minute to look at the questions and you need to speak for 2 minutes on the topic of card. If you wish, you can use this notepad and pencil to make some notes. The cue card is describe a water related laser activity that you want to try. What is the activity? Where can you do it? What do you do in it? Explain why do you want to try it. Okay? Here is your card. Have you done? Start speaking, please.
I can there are many activities that I can join in my leisure time, but here I am talking about one of my activity which I can spend a lot of the day. We can this activity I can enjoy with my friends. On last summer vacation I can play one activity that is a water balloon activity. I can play the balloons and I can fill the water with them. I can feel very fresh when I play this activity with my friends. In the last year me and my friends can collected the many of the balloons, and these balloons can be filled with the water, but some of the balloons are leaked, but I can feed all the balloons. This activity is very interesting for me to take a very happy and relaxed to me. This activity also treats of me and makes my friends happy, and I feel on this activity very much. I can do this activity twice a month with my friends, and I enjoy the peace. I think I do this activity on my other days when I feel relaxed and I have time for the free activities.
So let's move to the part 3. Let's talk about leisure and free time. How important is free time for individuals?
I think the leisure time is very important for everyone. People can distract by their work and they have time for their leisure where they can feel fresh and they can relax from their working load. So I think it is very important to have a people relaxed time.
Do people learn something about themselves when they go for such leisure activities? Do people learn something about themselves when they go for such leisure activities?
Yes, people can learn many of the things when they go to a leisure for their holiday and feel relaxed. When they go to another place, then they know about their culture and their religions, and they can talk with other person and they know their behavior. I think they, if a leisure time happens to people, they can learn about things in this time.
While doing leisure activities, is it a good idea to take risks?
I think
While doing leisure activities, is it a good idea to take risks?
I think some of the activities like in the leisure time we can be creative. This activity can be very good if we can do some religious things. Some activities are very dangerous, but we can do a small with activities which is very relaxation and give a good.
What benefits do people have when they travel to new destinations for leisure?
People can feel fresh when they go to the another destination. They can go to with their friends and they can relax and they know about the another culture and another person's behavior. I think if they can go another places, then they know about their views and they can educate their this education and their schools.
Do you think an individual feels demotivated when he doesn't get enough time?
Yes, I think when the individual not given proper leisure time for their activities, they can feel very tired and they do not take their work seriously. They can do their work indirectly, and in this way they cannot achieve their goals of the life. If the people give the relaxation time to him, then they can do their work properly, and it gives a very good for relaxation.
Okay, so this is the end of your speaking test. Thank you so much and have a nice day.